Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. So today I'm actually gonna try, I don't know if I can torque it, the head on there once I get it on, but I'm gonna definitely try to get the head on there and try to at least get it somewhat torqued down. And maybe my brother's off this week, Harold, so maybe I'll try to get him to finish torquing the head for me. And I'll go get you guys all set up over there so I can start putting this head back together. All right, let's do it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning the top of the top of the piston bore, the bore of the jug, the very top, because it gets really corroded in here. Not corroded, what do you call it? A lot of carbon. Trying to get that as clean as I can. It's kind of funky. Just use that. It's coming off little by little. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but pretty caked on in there. I have to blow that out for sure, guys. But this is, yeah, that's pretty good. That looks good. When you guys start putting this head back together, guys, you want to make sure that you blow all your parts out. You blow everything out of here. You don't want any oil inside of here, because when you go to mount your head, if you put oil, a lot of people put oil on the threads right here, and they'll just get it. You know, I need to get me a little bottle, a little pouring bottle, but they'll pour oil in there. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that, because what happens is there's no way for the oil to get out of there. And so when you put the head on and you screw these bolts down, this one goes over there, by the way, you screw these bolts down, that oil in there will keep these from locking down. And what happens is you're torquing this and it will torque. You're not going to get an accurate torque. You're not going to get an accurate torque, but you will get a torque. So whatever you do is you want to just put a little bit of oil on here. You do not want to put, sorry guys, I had a little, that looked really small for the bolt, the actual bolt thread that's sticking out, but it fits perfect. So anyways, like I was saying, so, you know, you want to get this nice and cleaned up, blow everything off. You don't want any little dust particles. You don't want anything inside of there. You want to blow all these off. And then you don't want to pour oil in here. Whatever you do, do not pour oil in there. You want to blow these out, and what you want to do is you just want to get a little bit of oil on each thread of the head bolt, just a little bit, just a few drops to get the oil in there, because you want that to be able to spin on there for your torque purposes. And if you put too much oil in there, it's going to give you an improper torque. Your head's going to be loose. You're going to have a ton of problems on your head. You're going to have to take everything off again. And a mistake a lot of people make is you have to put a film of oil underneath here. Because what happens is when this sits in the head, you want to give this the freedom to be able to torque inside the head. You don't want to get an improper torque. In order for you to get this really torqued and get that head torqued down evenly, you want to have oil underneath here. Just a little film of oil right underneath here. So this will spin freely on the head. You need that oil on there to be able to get the proper torquing. So I just wanted to run that by you guys real quick. Now I need to get the piston back up. So I'm going to have to bring the tire forward. You want to get the push rods set evenly. Okay, the push rods are both even right now. So I'm at top dead center. So this is a stock Harley gasket. I picked it up from Harley in Livermore. So basically you could put this on any way. The way it's kind of shaped, sorry about that. The way it's kind of shaped is with the lettering down. So you could put it on any way. That's actually the way I'm going to put it. I was always told to put the letters up, but they told me it really didn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and put the letters down, and I'm going to go grab that head. Head's kind of heavy, guys. Not supposed to be picking anything up right now, but I'm a stubborn old guy, so I'm stubborn. There it goes. We got the gasket in. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the bolts, just a little dab inside here, just for the threads. And then again, I'm going to get a little bit underneath here. A little bit in there, a little bit down here, so that you can get that baby torqued. Get a little bit in there on the threads, and then a little down here, just so that we can get these babies nice and torqued. Just a couple of drops in there. So I got these guys on there, guys. Now I'm going to attempt to torque them.
Whatever you need, anything you
I told you guys my brother could sing.
want.
You guys didn't listen.
Oh, well, I got shit like that. My torch things.
All right, so the first torque sequence is going to be 7 to 9 pounds. Okay, so that's 0. We're going to go, should be 8 pounds. All right. Okay, that's 8. That's 8. That's 8. That's 8. So I'm gonna go from 8 to 14. Let's go 14 pounds. That's 15, 14. All right. 14. 14. 14. 14. All right, so then after 14, we're gonna go 22 to 25, so we're gonna go 24 pounds. That's 24. So now we're gonna go 24 pounds. That's 24. That's 24. That's 24. And the last one's calling for 38 to 42 pounds, so we're gonna go 40. We're gonna go right in the middle of that. That's actually a lot, huh, Harold?
I believe so. Well, how did them turn on? How did they turn?
They good.
Were they hard?
No.
Okay.
So let's go 40 pounds. That's actually 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That's 40 pounds. Lock that baby. All right, so this is the final torque sequence. Shit. All right, that.
Makes sense.
That's 40. That's 40 pounds. You actually want to keep going. You don't want to stop. So
Makes sense.
you're supposed to keep going until it clicks. You're not supposed to stop. All right. That's like a quarter of a turn too, huh?
Yes. Yeah,
All right.
that's for a turn. I like that.
All right. So that's it, guys. The head is torqued. We are done. Yay! So now it's nice and warm in here, huh?
I'm getting there.
It's 69 now. You warm now?
69
You still smoking? Yeah, smoke.
I gotta light up.
Yeah, light her up, brother. Light her up. Okay, so now this is garbage.
That's why I knew you'd figure it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you were looking, that's why I say when you're working your way up to it, you're going to figure out, okay, how's that feel? Oh, I can go up to that pound.
It did. It was a long jump, though.
Yeah, because it only want to make sure, first of all, it was seated all the way around.
Yeah.
It's seated first, then tighten down. Which makes sense on the thing. Because when they say everything we do the first time is always new,
Yeah.
I like that. I remember that. Well, at least you got the head back on. Now you
Yeah.
can move forward. Now you can put the right hand together.
Yeah, now I put the exhaust back on, get that motherfucker started.
Damn.
Right?
6 years later.
Yeah.
Bob.
It only took that long, huh?
Yeah, but if you gotta do it again, you take the head out of the beginning.
I would, bro.
Isn't it funny how we go through stuff?
Yeah.
You grow through what you go through, right?
Yeah. Exactly. That's how it goes. Oh no, these two go there. So there's 6 that go here. Let me take this off first. That goes like that. See if you can tell which one's thicker, which one's newer. You can feel it, huh? The size difference.
Well, size difference and it just has a different elasticity.
Yeah. Oh, these already got a little scoop on the threads.
Oh, they're brand new bolts, huh?
Mm.
The door is wide open for you. The door is open. Shit, I know you're anxious to put that bike together. Just to see what the gray look like on there. That gray gonna be banging.
So this flap right here is what actually keeps the oil from getting into the channel, which ends up going right back into the breather again. So this actually protects it. And here's the sponge that actually sucks it up. Yeah, so that goes like that. A couple bolts on here, and then I'm gonna put the Loctite. I just want to get.
Oh, I see. I have it
Put the Loctite on it after, yeah.
sit in place. Are those the bolts? All four?
You know what I mean?
That shouldn't give it weight.
No?
No, that shouldn't give it. That's not a secret.
Okay. This will move a little bit, so you kind of have to line it up to kind of get it center. I don't want to tighten them all the way down because I'm gonna need to. You don't want to actually tighten them all the way down. The torque?
12, 13 pounds? Getting more than 15 pounds.
Yeah. What they do.
All you fellas, then have someone you really care, yeah.
All right.
The guy watching the video, he wanted to go away. Man, he had a bunch of go away, old in the ride. I go, I wish he was near me. I have to go through my life. Is that the spring in place or does it turn and lock in place?
It turns and locks.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little clip that goes in there after it.
Oh, on the top.
Yeah.
Oh, like a C-clip?
Yeah.
Mm. Oh, that's the push rod.
Yeah. that wasn't good. I need to get me a better supporting chair, bro.
You got the one that just got wide feet on it.
Yes.
And a backrest.
Yes.
And when I saw it, I'm like, ah.
They're expensive, but they're worth it.
Yeah, but okay, exactly. Thank
Yeah.
you.
It's is it worth saving your back?
Your back, your ass, falling, sliding, slipping.
Hell yeah. It's worth everything. Alright. I'm gonna get the air and then you can close it again. You know, bro, I really do love doing this shit.
I know. Yeah, because the seat that they had that on the Gold Wing, that guy had, so the back part that goes for the passenger, the back part, backrest part, it didn't have that. And they like said the seat's $900. I'm like,
Yeah.
and the backrest comes another $400.
Oh yeah.
So then let's just go ahead with the saddle. Like I said, the ultimate seat didn't have it; they only had it in black. I like this. I like the ultimate is the one with black light. So like that would have been perfect, but they only had it in black.
Is that better?
Perfect.
So I just got these guys on here, and I just put the new washers in. I gotta actually stick that one up more to get that washer seated. There it is. Guy does not want to seat in there. I know the washer's in there, right? Oh, you know what it is? I gotta put a little bit of oil on it. They won't actually pop in there unless you've got a little dab of oil on them. Yeah, that one's in there. There it is. Yeah.
But you
No, you're right.
and I'm not saying
You're
these
absolutely-
decisions,
no, you're
I was
right.
Like going, they just really think that they got us more to them than it actually is.
Yeah.
Once I got the new Creed on Friday.
Oh yeah. That looks like it's gonna be good, bro.
Yeah, we'll check it out. I'll like the popcorn.
Hell yeah, I don't want to
I'll
go.
like the popcorn with it. The guy that I was watching rebuild the Gold Wing yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
his intro, the music he plays is the same music that you play. I'm like, did that y'all video?
Really?
Yes. I started laughing. And if I had room and it made sense, I'd get the one bike.
Another 1800.
15.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Even like a 99, 2000 last year. And they say those are the most dependable ones. The 1500s.
Oh yeah.
Remember when we went to that shop that guy thought I had a 1200? Oh, I don't want one of those.
Yeah.
They got to be an electrical problem. No, I'd get another 1500 in like a green or something.
All right. So now I gotta put this on first. And torque this guy. I don't gotta put anything on those because turn off that heater, bro. Yeah, that's it.
Well, at least you got it together.
Yeah, yeah.
Get your shit together.
I'm excited, brother. Thank you. Thank you for hanging out, man. I appreciate you hanging out. Yeah.
I thought you riding over a while ago.
Now, look, bro, I was going to attempt to do this yesterday, but my back was still really stiff. It was still knotted up right there. When I went to Angels for dinner, I sat in 2 different chairs, and finally he pulled out the 3rd chair, and it was like my office chair that rolls, and it has that lumbar support. But by that time, I was already in agony. So it was hard. I couldn't stand straight up. I was like this. I had to walk like that to the car. Get in the car. I come in. I had to heat my back, bro, over and over again. Yeah, well, but I'm feeling pretty good. So I got Loctite on there right now. So I'm going to go in there and watch that video, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to torque everything down in the sequence that I saw. And man, once I get that in there and I get those push rods and everything sealed, this right here, I don't want to do this right now because I think I'm going to try to torque all these first and this last, because you have to go a little bit and then go do your thing and then go a little bit and then go do your thing and then come back. You got to wait 10 minutes because see how this is up in the air right now? There's pressure on these push rods. See, there's already pressure on them right now.
Right.
Yeah, so see, you got to be real careful because I don't want to bend these fucking things. All right, I'm gonna clean up, my brother. You enjoy that cigar?
Yeah, I think I'm good. This was good, the other one I had. Right.
Thank you, bro, for reminding us.
He was like, there you go.
So guys, check it out. I was able to get all these guys in there, and I got all the seals in there, and these are loose right now. You got to do this little by little right here. You don't want to put any pressure on the push rods. You want to go down little by little, torquing this stuff down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that tomorrow. My back is just hurting really bad right now. I just overdid it today. I was only supposed to come out for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours max. But I got the head all on there, got it torqued down, and yeah, I'm really excited that I got the head torqued down, and everything's ready to go as far as torquing everything down on the top. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and I got a doctor's appointment for my back tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get some injections and go from there. But I'll probably rest tomorrow and go back at it on Friday. So hey guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me get that head back on there finally. And yeah, man, it wasn't without pain, but with a lot of effort, much effort. And it feels really, really good to have that back on. So anyways, I want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys reaching out to me and communicating with me and actually getting to know me other than just watching these videos. I want to thank Sean from Washington. It was cool conversating with you today. I look forward to seeing how your bike turns out, how things turn out. So thank you for that. Really appreciate that. And other than that, man, if you're new to my channel, do me a favor, man. Please hit that like button. It helps the channel out a lot. And if you're interested in my content, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. That way you'll be notified anytime I put new videos out. Other than that, man, I'm really trying to get back on it. I've been working on my YouTube channel, adding some end screens or end cards. That way that when you're done with the video, another video at the end will pop up, and then my logo will give you an opportunity to subscribe to the channel, then give you another chance. And so that's it. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your evening. Always remember to ride safe, take care, and God bless.